Sorry, I had my mouth full. But notice that's two words. So a mouthful. A mouthful is the amount of something, normally the amount of food, that will fit into your mouth at one time. So I've eaten so much I couldn't eat another mouthful. Or maybe a mouthful, a small amount to be tasted, a small amount to be eaten. So would you like a little mouthful of my salad? It's really tasty. Okay, so firstly, the amount of food that you can get in your mouth, a mouthful, the amount that you can hold, or a small amount of food. Then we also use this word metaphorically to talk about a long word or a name or a phrase that's difficult to pronounce. Florsy norsy nihilification. That's quite a mouthful. Okay, so a mouthful, something that is a long phrase. It's difficult to say. There are various places in Wales that are quite a mouthful. Llandudno to start with, but there are much longer ones than that. So firstly, a mouthful. He only ate a few mouthfuls of his meal. It seemed like it wasn't hungry. The amount of food that will go in. And then a phrase or a word that has lots of syllables, that is difficult to pronounce. I've always called myself Alex because it's less of a mouthful than Alexander. Or, for example, a tongue twister. It can be, or the idea of it is to make it a bit of a mouthful. How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? A woodchuck would chuck as much wood as a woodchuck could chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood. That's a bit of a mouthful as well. I guess we also actually have an idiom. To give somebody a mouthful is to shout at somebody, to be offensive, to be angry with them. So the driver wound down his window and gave me a mouthful. He abused me, he was rude, he insulted me. So a mouthful of words. Okay, so a mouthful, the amount that you can actually hold in your mouth at one time. I was thinking, very often people put pins or nails in their mouth, so he had a mouthful of nails. Yeah, it was impossible to talk. Please, would you try a mouthful of this delicious food that I've made? That name is really quite a mouthful. It's something that's difficult to say. It's a long phrase. Okay, it's something that is difficult to say. I swallowed a mouthful of coffee. You must chew each mouthful before swallowing. That phrase is a real mouthful. Okay, so the name of this company is really quite a mouthful. Yeah, it's lots of words. It's not very easy to say. And then a mouthful, abuse, to give someone a mouthful. Notice this phrase, if you give somebody a mouthful, this is a British phrase. The Americans don't use it. Yeah, and the Americans perhaps have the phrase to say a mouthful, to say something quite impressive. Wow, that's quite a mouthful. You said quite an impressive remark, something that you said that's got a lot of meaning to it, or it's very pertinent or important. But that's an American meaning of it. Okay, but a mouthful, what fits in your mouth? And then a mouthful can be really rather difficult to pronounce. So yes, let's see, as to origin, it comes from your mouth full. And I think there are various similar phrases to this in Dutch and German and Danish. But a mouthful, yeah, your mouth is full, so don't speak with your mouth full. Yeah, she sells seashells on the seashore is a bit of a mouthful. He gave me a mouthful. He was very abusive and rude. What you said was quite a mouthful. It was it was very interesting and pertinent. So formality, a mouthful. Try another mouthful. 5 in formality. He gave me a mouthful. 3.5, maybe 4 in formality. What you said was quite a mouthful. Difficult to say. 4.5 in formality. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A mouthful.